Dennis Coro and Mr. Philip Can Live. This is the last pair for this category, so we will yet to know what's the final first, second, third for this category. And there they go. The Blue Evo Zero of Mr. Alan Big Al Chuachuri for its debut run. Remember, this guy just bought this car and just ran it today, so we expect a lot of improvements for the Evo Zero of Team NCR sometime on December or by next year's Championship Series. Okay, there you go. We'll just wait for the final official time for both cars. Mr. Alan Big Al Chuachuri